Okay, now I'm going to create my distribution chart for KP for each KPI. I start with KPI 1. I'm going to select first of all this column here, insert. I'm gonna click on here, more charts, area. I'm gonna select this. Axis chart title is down. Put it here in the front. Then I click on add series. Now what we created before. So here I'm going to get click on OK. Then I'm going to change the chart type. I click on combo. Here is area. Okay, and this one is line. I click on OK. Now we're going to do the following. Format this part. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna click on no line. Okay, and the marker is automatic. Okay. Okay, then here I'm going to remove the axis and I'm going to show the arrow bars like this. Select the vertical axis, and here I'm going to put 0. Okay, then I select again here and I remove this. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Okay. Okay, so we created our chart for KPI 1 and we are going to do the same for the other KPIs. Okay, just we copy and paste this for all the others. This is an exercise for you and I will continue.